I'd like to welcome everyone to this session, the Top 5 Business Intelligence Tools of 2020. Now let's get started. But before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Before I start off with our top 5 BI tools, I'd like to talk a bit about business intelligence. As you might be aware, there are zillions of companies across the world. These companies generate massive amounts of data on a daily basis. When I say data here, it simply refers to business information, both internal and external, customer feedback, product innovations, and profit loss reports, to name a few. Companies use all of this information to make crucial decisions that can either hamper or boost their business. You might have heard of the term data is the new oil. Well, it definitely is. If organizations analyze all the available data very well, then this oil is definitely valuable. And to help organizations with this, we have business intelligence, which is more often termed as BI. We can define BI as a technology-driven process which works on analyzing unstructured data to derive meaningful information from it. Basically, it is a set of architecture and processes that convert raw data into useful information that helps in achieving profit for a business. So to achieve business intelligence goals, we use a set of tools. These tools are termed as BI tools. They help organizations acquire and analyze data efficiently. Some of the BI tools are seasonal, but some are evergreen. We have a plethora of these tools in the market, which makes it hard for businesses to select one single tool. Here, we have a recommendation list of the top 5 BI tools of 2020. After extensive research and an in-depth evaluation, we have come up with this list. In addition to the top 5, we also have a few other tools which look promising for the year 2020. So let us have a look at the top 5 BI tools. At number 5, we have ThoughtSpot. ThoughtSpot is a US-based company that provides its customers with business intelligence software. ThoughtSpot makes analysis of data easy, and it does so in the matter of a few seconds. As you can see on your screens, this is how the interface looks like. Let's now have a look at the features of ThoughtSpot. ThoughtSpot is a search-driven solution, that is, the users can find insights through an interface known to everyone, that is, search. This makes the tool more accessible. The Spot IQ engine also uses artificial intelligence in the form of algorithms to identify and display insights like trends and causal relationships. Instead of going through a number of different procedures to create a chart, ThoughtSpot's instant chart creation ability lets users automatically view data graphically. With just a few mouse clicks, you can generate a visually appealing story. When a business grows, so will its data requirements. Hence, it is crucial that you have a tool that can be scaled up easily. ThoughtSpot has this feature, and it also performs automatic load balancing across all its servers. ThoughtSpot is also now available for small and medium instance types on AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. ThoughtSpot has a user-friendly interface. Even users with absolutely no prior knowledge or training can operate ThoughtSpot easily. So those were the features of ThoughtSpot. Let us now have a look at the companies using ThoughtSpot. As you can see on your screens, we have the American multinational retail corporation Walmart. Then we have the Royal Bank of Canada, RBC, followed by 7-Eleven and ExxonMobil. Let us now move on to our next tool. So at number 4, we have SAS BI. The SAS Business Intelligence tool looks into the analysis, data mining, and reporting with the help of powerful visualizations and interactive dashboards. In SAS, data is extracted and categorized, which helps in identifying and analyzing data patterns. As you can see on your screens, this is how the interface looks like. Moving on to the features of SAS BI. First and foremost, it is easy to use. Irrespective of your skill level, you will be able to easily explore, create, and share data. There is no need for the user to rely on the IT team. Better analysis of data is achieved by using automatic code generation and SAS SQL. The next feature of SAS is that it allows you to integrate with open source software such as R. R helps you to connect to many databases and data types. SAS provides the best practices and defines the guiding principles for a secure product development lifecycle. SAS BI ensures that the products meet the business and security needs of the customers. Let us now have a look at the companies using SAS BI. We have companies like Accenture, Genpact, IQVIA, and IBM to name a few. That was all about SAS BI. Let us now move on to our next tool. So at number 3, we have Qlik. The company was founded in Sweden back in the 90s. The company's first product was QlikView. It is a powerful tool which visualizes and analyzes the relationships between data. QlikSense is a self-service data discovery and analysis tool. It provides a modern user interface for data management. Qlik is named a leader in the 2020 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI platforms. As you can see on your screens, this is how the interface looks like. Moving on to the features of Qlik. QlikView can do everything that an OLAP-based solution will do and much faster. You can take advantage of Qlik's powerful AI and machine learning to accelerate discoveries, boost data literacy, and derive insights. QlikSense works without data filters, but while working with QlikView, data filters are required. Qlik allows flexible deployment capabilities for seamless end-user experiences and management capabilities across multi-cloud environments. Data storytelling is an important part of BI. QlikSense provides this feature, but it is not available with QlikView. With the Qlik Data Integration Platform, you can do powerful data integration and perform modern analytics. As you can see on your screens, these are the companies using Qlik. We have Mercedes-Benz, Cognizant, Accenture, and Capgemini. So for all those who joined in now, let me just quickly repeat our list. At number 5, we have ThoughtSpot. Then at number 4, we have SAS BI. And at number 3, we have Qlik. So far, do you all agree with this list? Let us know in the comment section below. Let us now move on to our next tool. At number 2, we have Tableau. Tableau is one of the most popular and fastest growing business intelligence tools used in companies these days. Tableau is a data visualization tool that was founded in 2003. It manages the vast volumes of data and its flow and turns data into actionable information. It allows you to analyze and visualize data faster and efficiently. The Tableau product suite consists of Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, Tableau Online, Tableau Server, and Tableau Reader. As you can see on your screens, this is how the interface looks like. Moving on to the features of Tableau. One of the most important features of Tableau is that it can connect to 40 different data sources and handle large amounts of data easily. Some of the data sources are local text files, Microsoft Excel, PDFs, JSON, or databases, and servers like MySQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, etc. Tableau is an easy-to-use drag-and-drop tool which allows its users to create interactive visuals quickly. You can build different charts and graphs, dashboards, and storylines with just a few clicks. In Tableau, you can gain insights that you never thought was possible. You can play with interactive visualizations and explore various data that is available, and you don't need to have any specific knowledge of the insight you're looking for. Knowledge of coding is not required to work on Tableau, as Tableau provides inbuilt table calculations. So some of the companies that use Tableau are the American e-commerce giant Amazon, the Italian luxury sports car manufacturer Ferrari, then we have Walmart, followed by Capgemini and LinkedIn. Before we move on to the number 1 BI tool in our list, let's have a quick look at a few BI tools which didn't make it to our list but which seem to be very promising in the year 2020. So here we have Zoho Analytics, which is a cloud-based self-service BI and data analytics software that is used for data visualization and for creating dashboards. Up next, we have Oracle BI. It is an Oracle Corporation set of BI tools used for reporting and analyzing data built around tables, graphs, dashboards, etc. Then we have Pentaho, which is a BI software used for creating relational and analytical reporting. With the help of Pentaho, we can transform complex data into meaningful reports and draw valuable insights out of them. And finally, on the top of the hierarchy, we have Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence tool that provides users with features to analyze, visualize, aggregate, and share insights from data to make business decisions. It is provided by Microsoft. Power BI has several components such as Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map, Power BI Desktop, and Power Q&A. Each of these components has its own features and functionalities. As you can see on your screens, this is how the interface looks like. Moving on to the features of Power BI. Firstly, it provides easy drag and drop functionality, which makes data visually appealing. It allows you to copy all formatting across similar visualizations. Power BI transforms your enterprise data into rich visuals and accurate reports for enhanced decision making. It can also be used with Azure. Using Power BI with Azure allows you to analyze and share large volumes of data. It integrates seamlessly with advanced cloud services like Azure and Cortana to provide results for the verbal data queries. With Power BI, you can fetch data from factory sensors and social media sources to get access to real-time analytics. It provides a unified user experience with customized dashboard and reports that meet your exact needs. Power BI ensures secure report publishing as it sets up automatic data refresh and rapidly publishes reports, allowing all the users to avail the latest information. The companies that use Power BI on a daily basis are Nestle, Capgemini, Accenture, and Entity Data. And there you go, those are the top 5 BI tools for the year 2020. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. Do you agree with our top 5 list? Think we missed anything important? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.